Good evening, I'm Bria from ISC News Media, reporting to you live from the intersection of Pleasant Hill Road and Eagle Lake Boulevard in Kissimmee, Florida, where earlier today a major vehicle accident occurred, leaving 2 vehicles heavily damaged and the local community in shock. The incident unfolded in the evening hours around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, drawing an immediate response from emergency services. The collision involved 2 vehicles, both of which sustained significant damage. The cause of the accident is still under investigation, with authorities working diligently to piece together the events that led up to this moment. The scene here was chaotic, as captured by our team on the ground. The damage to the vehicles was extensive, indicative of the severity of the crash. Emergency services were quick to respond, securing the area and attending to the scene. The current condition of those involved has not yet been disclosed, and we are hoping for their swift and full recovery. As of now, the scene behind me has been cleared. Traffic is once again flowing through the intersection of Pleasant Hill Road and Eagle Lake Boulevard. The quick response and subsequent clearing of the accident site by the authorities have been commendable, ensuring the safety and well-being of the local community. We will continue to follow this story and provide updates as more information becomes available. Our thoughts are with those affected by today's accident. From the intersection of Pleasant Hill Road and Eagle Lake Boulevard in Kissimmee, this is Bria, reporting for ISC News Media. Stay safe, and remember to drive carefully.